When modeling profiles within a project, the designer may not know the maximum lengths available for a given profile stock within the catalog. This can result in profiles that are modeled longer than the available stock, leading to problems during production stages. In direct response to requests from the Nexus Wishlist, the SSI 2021 R1.1 release now includes a profile stock length warning system to inform modelers when the profile part being modeled is longer than the maximum stock length available. This provides an opportunity to allow for an alternate stock to be selected much earlier in the design phase, thereby preventing issues from arising during the production cycle. For new projects, the profile stock length warning is set to be on by default, and this can be toggled off from project settings if so desired. When upgrading a project to the latest version of ShipConstructor, these settings are saved to provide the end user with a seamless and familiar workflow. In addition, users can view the profile parts with stock length warnings in the Drawing Issues palette from within the Advantage Pack Outfitting panel, or by generating a log file using the Check Planar Group Model Drawing or sccheckpgmd command. This can be useful for verifying parts that are affected by parametric changes from other drawings. Prevent unnecessary conflicts with stock quantity when creating profiles during the modeling process with the new Profile Stock Length Warning System in the 2021 R1.1 release of ShipConstructor. Visit the Nexus site to view other available features, ask questions from within the ShipConstructor community, or use the online training resources to learn more.